Emma works in a small design company, and she's been trying to improve her English for almost a year. Although she studies regularly, she sometimes feels that her progress is slow. Last month, her manager suggested a new method: reading short texts every day without stopping to check every grammar rule. At first, Emma wasn't sure if this would work. She used to pause after every sentence because she wanted to understand everything perfectly. However, when she began reading continuously, she noticed something interesting. She started to recognize grammar patterns naturally. For example, she began to understand when to use the present perfect, or why conditional sentences appear in certain explanations. One morning, while she was reading an article about travel habits, she realized that she understood most of it without translating. She felt proud. Later that day, she told her colleague Mark, who had also been learning a second language. Mark said, "Language grows when you give it space. If you always try to control every detail, you block your own progress." His words stayed with Emma. Since then, she has created a simple routine. She reads for 10 minutes before work, listens to a short podcast during lunch, and writes 3 sentences before going to bed. These small actions, repeated every day, have helped her more than she expected. Today, when she looks back, she can see how much she has improved. She still makes mistakes, but she no longer feels uncomfortable about them. Instead, she sees mistakes as signs that she is learning. And that change, more than any grammar book, has made her English journey easier and more enjoyable.